Hey guys, it's Grant from my Airsoft Addiction. Today we're going to do an unboxing video from Airsoft-Club. So, it was total of like 50, 60 something, but the shipping was kind of expensive. Smells like an Asian person's house. Okay, so they like taped everything together. Okay, so first we have a khaki schmog. Protect my neck so I don't get shot in my neck. Right here I got a bladder tan hose. That's pretty cool. I think it holds 3 mil. Right here we have a I just cut my Okay, hey guys, sorry for that. I cut my finger pretty bad. So show y'all what I got. I got an RRV. This is about $35. Pretty cheap, but the shipping was pretty expensive when you add a vest because of, you know, it's in Hong Kong. So, and then it's attached to this hydration carrier, which I'm gonna put my bladder in. It came with an admin pouch, really nice. Triple mag pouch, which I'm probably not gonna use right now. I think this is a utility pouch, and then this is a radio pouch. But they look exactly the same because that's not exactly what they said on the internet, but I really don't care because it's for the same use. Here's my hydration bladder. It has tan right there. And then my hose, which is tan too, you know. And then I got a tan schmog. Put around my neck so I don't get shot in my neck, because that always hurts. And got, if I can get it open, an OD American flag patch, and I got a black metal flash hider, so you can kind of indicate that I'm getting in for. And it came with these washer kind of things, make it screw on better, I guess. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out my other videos, and please subscribe, like, and comment.